Want to manage your money like a pro without breaking the bank? Imagine having a personal financial advisor, stock market analyst, and tax expert, all powered by AI, right at your fingertips. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 most affordable AI finance tools that are revolutionizing how everyday people manage, invest, and grow their money in 2025. Rocket Money has transformed bill management and subscription tracking with its AI capabilities. What impresses me most is how the platform's AI actively works to save you money, rather than just tracking your spending. The AI bill negotiation feature is particularly impressive. The system analyzes your recurring bills, compares them with current market rates, and automatically negotiates better deals on your behalf. I've personally seen it reduce my cable and internet bills without any effort on my part. The subscription monitoring feature uses AI to track all your recurring payments and identifies those you might have forgotten about. What's clever is how it spots subscription traps, those services that start free but sneakily begin charging later. While the basic version is free, the premium features starting at $6 monthly are where the real value lies. The platform takes a success fee on bill negotiations, but considering they only charge if they save you money, it's a win-win situation. From my testing, the average user saves significantly more than the monthly fee. Let's talk about what I consider the backbone of modern finance tech, Plaid. What makes this platform extraordinary is its ability to create secure connections between financial accounts and apps. Imagine having a universal translator for financial data. That's essentially what Plaid does for thousands of apps and services. The platform's AI excels at categorizing and analyzing transaction data with remarkable accuracy. One feature I particularly love is its ability to clean and standardize financial data across different institutions, making it instantly usable for any connected application. It's like having a financial data curator working 24/7. While Plaid's pricing is based on usage and features needed, it offers various models including pay-as-you-go options for startups and comprehensive enterprise solutions for larger institutions. The value comes from the time and resources saved in developing and maintaining financial connections. What really impresses me about Plaid is its commitment to security while maintaining ease of use. The platform handles millions of sensitive financial connections daily, using advanced AI to detect and prevent fraudulent activities while ensuring smooth data flow. A word of caution though. While integration is straightforward, you'll want to carefully plan which features you need. The platform offers extensive capabilities, and it's easy to over-engineer your solution if you're not careful. When it comes to automated investing, Betterment stands as a pioneer in the robo-advisor space. What sets this platform apart is its sophisticated AI-driven approach to portfolio management. Think of it as having a team of financial advisors working around the clock, but powered by advanced algorithms. The platform's AI doesn't just allocate your investments, it continuously optimizes your portfolio through tax loss harvesting and rebalancing. One feature I find particularly impressive is its ability to create personalized investment strategies based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The pricing is transparent and competitive, 0.25% annual fee for the digital plan and 0.40% for the premium plan with access to human advisors. When you consider the sophisticated automation and tax optimization, these fees represent excellent value for most investors. For newcomers, I suggest starting with the digital plan and taking time to explore the platform's educational resources. While the automation is sophisticated, understanding the underlying strategy will help you make better financial decisions. What truly stands out about Betterment is how it combines automated investing with financial planning. The AI analyzes your entire financial picture, including external accounts, to provide holistic advice and investment recommendations. Here's a platform that's evolved significantly: Yahoo Finance. What makes it stand out is its combination of comprehensive financial data with AI-powered analysis tools, all available for free at the basic level. Imagine having a financial command center that tracks everything from stocks to cryptocurrencies in real time. The platform's AI capabilities shine in its technical analysis and pattern recognition features. One aspect I particularly appreciate is its ability to generate automated insights and alerts based on market movements and news events. It's like having a personal financial analyst watching the markets for you. While the basic version is free, Yahoo Finance Plus starts at around $9.95 monthly, unlocking advanced features like detailed company analytics, fair value analysis, and pattern recognition tools. For active investors, these premium features can provide significant value. A practical tip: start with the free version and make use of the customizable dashboard. You can create a powerful monitoring system even without the premium features, then upgrade if you need more advanced tools. What is really helpful about Yahoo Finance is its integration of news, data, and analysis. The AI helps surface relevant news and correlate it with market movements, giving you a more complete picture of what's driving price changes. Let's explore what I consider the future of business payments, Bill.com. What sets this platform apart is its AI-powered accounts payable and receivable automation. Imagine having a virtual accounting assistant that can read invoices, categorize expenses, and manage payments automatically with near-perfect accuracy. The platform's AI excels at document recognition and data extraction. One feature I particularly value is its ability to learn your business's payment patterns and vendor relationships, automatically routing bills for approval based on your established workflows. It's like having a seasoned accounting team working 24/7. Pricing starts at $45 per user monthly for the Essentials plan, with corporate and enterprise plans available for larger organizations. While this might seem significant, the time saved in manual processing and improved cash flow management typically provides excellent ROI. What really impresses me about Bill.com is its intelligent cash flow forecasting. The AI analyzes your payment history, upcoming bills, and expected receivables to provide accurate predictions of your future cash position, helping you make better financial decisions. A word of caution: while the automation is powerful, take time to set up your approval workflows carefully. The system is only as good as its initial configuration. Here's a fascinating AI-powered financial assistant, meet Cleo. What makes this platform unique is its conversational AI approach to personal finance management. Think of it as having a witty, sometimes sarcastic financial advisor in your pocket who's not afraid to call you out on your spending habits. The platform's AI shines in its natural language processing capabilities. One feature I particularly love is how it analyzes your spending patterns and communicates insights in a casual, often humorous way. It's like having a financially savvy friend who keeps you accountable while making you laugh. The basic version is free, while Cleo Plus costs around $5.99 monthly, offering features like salary advances, cashback, and more detailed financial insights. For the personality and functionality you get, it's remarkably affordable. For newcomers, I recommend starting with the free version to get a feel for Cleo's personality and basic features before upgrading. An amazing feature of Cleo is how engaging and accessible financial management is. The AI doesn't just track your spending, it creates a dialogue about your money habits, helping you develop better financial behaviors through regular interaction. Let's talk about an innovative player in the AI financial space, Rafa.ai. What sets this platform apart is its focus on personalized financial guidance through conversational AI. Imagine having a financial advisor who combines the knowledge of a seasoned professional with the accessibility of a chat interface. The platform's AI excels at understanding complex financial situations and breaking them down into actionable steps. One feature I particularly admire is its ability to provide contextual recommendations based on your financial behavior and goals, adapting its advice as your situation changes. While pricing details may vary by implementation, the platform focuses on providing enterprise-level solutions for financial institutions looking to enhance their customer service capabilities. What really impresses me about Rafa.ai is its ability to handle complex financial queries while maintaining a natural conversational flow. The AI can switch between different financial topics seamlessly, providing coherent advice across various aspects of personal finance. A practical note: the effectiveness of the platform largely depends on the quality of information you provide, so be prepared to share detailed financial information for the best results. When it comes to AI-powered financial planning, Prospero.ai stands out as a sophisticated solution. What makes this platform special is its ability to combine traditional financial planning with advanced machine learning algorithms. Think of it as having a team of financial planners working with quantum computers to optimize your financial future. The platform's AI is particularly useful in simulating thousands of possible financial scenarios. One feature I find remarkable is how it can adjust financial plans in real time based on changing market conditions and personal circumstances. It's like having a financial crystal ball that updates itself continuously. The platform typically works through financial institutions and advisors, with pricing based on institutional arrangements. The value comes from its ability to provide sophisticated financial planning at scale. What truly sets Prospero.ai apart is its approach to risk analysis and portfolio optimization. The AI doesn't just look at traditional metrics. It considers a vast array of factors, including economic indicators, market sentiment, and personal financial patterns. Here's an AI-powered investment platform that's changing how we approach portfolio management: Magnifi. What makes this platform exceptional is its use of AI to democratize sophisticated investment strategies. Imagine having access to institutional-grade investment tools with the simplicity of a search engine. The platform's AI excels at natural language processing for investment queries. One feature I particularly value is its ability to translate complex investment concepts into actionable trading ideas. It's like having a professional investment researcher at your fingertips. Pricing varies by service level, with both individual investor and professional versions available. The platform offers various subscription tiers to match different investment needs and sophistication levels. An impressive part about Magnifi is how it makes complex investment research accessible to everyday investors. The AI can analyze vast amounts of financial data and present findings in an easily digestible format. A tip for new users: start with basic queries and gradually move to more complex investment strategies as you become comfortable with the platform's capabilities. Let's wrap up with Revolut, a comprehensive financial super app. What sets this platform apart is its AI-driven approach to personal finance management across multiple currencies and investment types. Imagine having a financial Swiss Army knife that handles everything from daily spending to cryptocurrency trading. The platform's AI shines in its fraud detection and spending analysis capabilities. One feature I particularly appreciate is its ability to automatically categorize transactions and provide intelligent budgeting recommendations based on your spending patterns. Pricing starts with a free basic plan, while premium features are available at different tiers: premium at $8, $99 month, and metal at $17, $99 month. Each tier adds more sophisticated features and higher limits for various services. For new users, I suggest starting with the free plan to explore the basic features before considering an upgrade to premium services. What I like about Revolut is its continuous innovation in financial services. The AI doesn't just manage your money, it helps you grow it through features like roundup savings, cashback, and investment opportunities. Each of these tools represents a different approach to using AI in financial services, from personal budgeting to institutional-grade investment analysis. The key is choosing the right tool or combination of tools that best fits your specific financial needs and goals. Have you tried any of these AI financial tools? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial technology insights.